A mother camel and her baby were lying down, soaking up the sun. The baby camel asked his mom, "Why do we have these big bumps on our back?" The mom stopped to think and then said, "We live in the desert where there is not much water available. Our humps store water to help us survive on long journeys." The baby camel then stopped to think and said, "Well, why do we have long legs with rounded feet?" His mother replied, "They are meant to help us walk through sand." The baby asked a third question, "Why are my eyelashes so long?" The mother replied, "Your long eyelashes offer you protection from sand when it blows in the wind." Finally, the baby said, "If we have all of these natural abilities given to us to walk through the desert, what's the use for camels in the zoo?" The moral: the skills and abilities that you possess won't be useful if you're not in the right environment. You've probably heard of a professional who ditched his or her career to follow their dreams, or the person who remains unfulfilled in their job but doesn't try to make a change. If you're stuck in a career that isn't the right fit, you have to do some self-reflection to realize where your strengths lie that are going to waste. Turn to people that you know the best as well as professionals in any given market, so you can start thinking about what may be better for you. Think big and remain open to new ideas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.